In the iPhone 15 keynote, Apple mentioned that the back glass is now separate from the iPhone 15 chassis, which means that the back glass can now be replaced separately without replacing the whole chassis. This should reduce the cost of back glass replacement from $500 to about $200 in the US. Good news, right? It might seem so, but it appears that the back glass in the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max is now easier to break than in previous iPhones. This was first reported by Zach Nelson from Jerry Rig Everything. While performing the bend test on the iPhone 15 Pro Max with his bare hands, the back glass of the iPhone cracked almost immediately. This has never happened to an iPhone on his channel before. He was surprised and even named the video "Be Gentle with the new iPhone 15 Pro Max." This was also noticed by Philip Corroy from the YouTube channel Everything Apple Pro, known for performing phone drop tests. The iPhone 15 Pro Max back glass shattered from a drop from waist height. Again, he mentions that this rarely happens on his channel. Good thing that replacing the back glass doesn't cost half the iPhone's price.